Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel. Today, we are explore how to create business website hero section using render clouds in Photoshop. I open Photoshop and design a wide canvas. I pause because hero sections define business trust. I create a new layer and apply render clouds. The pattern appears soft and organic. I blur it slightly for smoothness. I reduce contrast using levels. I add a gradient overlay for brand colors. The clouds now feel modern and tech-friendly. I imagine a business website loading with this background. It feels calm and confident.